Namaste, and today my third part of AdhoMobilization, and today we will work for our core and our back. Again, it will be combo of two asanas. First asana, it will be boat pose. We lie down to the mat, stretch ourselves a little bit with arms and hands up, legs up, and first position. Second position, we put our palm close to our chest, go to plank, but plank with arch back like a wheel, and our feet in the upper part. So not like normal plank like this. But if it's not possible, you can do it from the beginning with a normal plank. Again, we will do a count from 4 till 10, but if it's too much to you, you can stop early. Or if it's not enough for you, you can go more up till 13, 14, I don't know. So, are you ready? Let's do it. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plank. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good! It was hot. If you like it, follow me, put like, and wait new video. Bye!